Hello, Alice. So one thing you'll need is a frame for your wreath, and there's no need to buy one. There are plenty of materials in nature that can be used to make a frame. You just need to find something that is supple enough to match the circumference of your wreath. Vines are usually good. Bittersweet vine is very nice. It's the vine that has those wonderful orange and red berries on it this time of year. Gorgeous. It also happens to be very invasive, so cut as many of them as you want. Tempting as it is, though, do not use the fruits in your wreath because that will only help spread them. In the past, I've used forsythia branches. I've tested everything in my yard up here in Marlborough, and what I have found to be the most flexible are yellow birch branches. So once you have clipped a few of these, what I do is start twisting them together so that you're wrapping the skinny end of one around the stout end of the other. Bend it around, decide how big you want that wreath to be. You may need to add another twig. This is a start. One of the things we need to strive for is roundness. So what I do is just keep adding until it's stout enough to support the wreath I intend to make and has achieved some semblance of roundness. So I think I'll start stout here. And you can always clip off the fattest ends if they're not flexible enough. Just wrap it right around. Oh, that came apart completely, so we'll just stick it back in there. Well, I might go gather a few more and make it a little bit stouter and rounder, but I think you get the idea.